Something extraordinary happened this week on the stock market. A David and Goliath tale of wealthy traders versus internet chat rooms.
Hold. They cannot beat the internet.
Of small investors on smartphones taking on Wall Street sharks and winning. It revolved primarily around Gamestop, a video games retailer struggling to modernise. Its stocks were steadily falling, the firm on the brink of collapse. Big Wall Street investors did what they often do when companies are failing. They bet against Gamestop, setting themselves up to make millions when it went under. So far, so normal. But in the chat rooms of Reddit, small traders had other ideas. They bought shares en masse, which caused the share price to soar, seemingly at odds with the actual value of the company. It cost Wall Street their big bets. The impact's been spectacular. At its peak, the company was worth over £24 billion. In response, some trading apps banned people buying more stock, creating yet more volatility in the market. For the bedroom-based traders, these are still risky investments, but many aren't worried about losing money. This is about power, not profit.
Oh, it's absolutely about principle. It's about sticking it to the man. That's 100% what it's about.
What was so motivating about it?
You look at someone that's my age. I'm 31 years old. I graduated out of high school in 2008 in the Great Recession. And so there's a lot of built up anger and resentment towards the system. And honestly, it feels like this is a revolution.
And there's outrage at small traders being banned from more buying by platforms, uniting the fiercest of political foes.
And there's an entire generation who has had their trust in government rocked, trust in Wall Street rocked.
Trading apps have made stocks more accessible, but experts fear a lot of people with limited knowledge are causing bubbles. When they burst, the poorest will lose most.
The fact is, look, what's happened with GameStop is crazy. I guarantee you, well, I can't be 100%, but I'm very confident that in a couple of months, it will be a lot lower than where it is now. At some point, it's going to collapse. And I don't want it to be ordinary people out there who've invested their housing deposits or their kids' university tuition.
For many, this place has always symbolised inequality. As a recession bites, the stock market still booms. Many feel there's a reckoning still to come.